Hey guys, today we'll be playing Buildabout. Anyways, let's wait for the rest. If you guys hear any background music, noise, anything, those are the example, guys, people here. Anyways, anyways, oh, look, the shark's trying to get in. You done do nothing. Anyways, I am balanced. I am key. Anyways, when the heck is the match going to start? Anyways, we wait for the match to start. I'm going to the side. The heck is going on? No, this is supposed to happen. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to leave it return. Okay, we had another server that's only 13 seconds. Heck is this shark trying to do and accomplish? Chef? Ooh, so close. Anyways, I'm gonna do a challenge today. But only using my button to use two types of boards. Like, start from my two viewers was set to the 2 second news. This would like, like you and second news, stuff like that. Like, that means I have to use banana and SWAT. Also, if I'm not struck though. Oh, dang it. Well, yeah, tomorrow. Just gonna keep it going down for sacrifice some people, because I should. This is a boy right here. There's a girl. Check back. Where the heck is that? Just use Jack. Oh, we got. Oh, what's the music? There we go. Oh, after stop him out. No! Don't mind me. I'm gonna take my time and leave. Excuse me, please. After stop, I'm out. Legend never die. Hopefully it's not copyright. I'm coming to save you. That's what it's about. Which part over here? Features. This two things can outrun me. I got news for you. You can't. Ow! I thought if she would die, I have to play it again. Memes and dreams. Let's play some lag though. Well, yeah. Because I just need to play this. And I'm gonna win a third time. What the heck are you even supposed to use crowns for? No, no. Anyways, BRB. And I'm back. Why do I feel like this is a live stream? I don't know. Was I play on PC? This PC, yes, I have played this one. Oh gosh. But I can't get over that. Let's do this double. Make it. I hope this thing makes it. Actually, maybe I had. Nice job, these peoples. Nice job, but you guys have failed. Oh no.